Have you ever wondered why you keep missing out on the stock market's ups and downs? Maybe you've been intimidated by the complexity or simply haven't had the time to dive in. Well, I've got a solution for you, Stash. In this video, we'll break down how to link your bank account to Stash, making it easier than ever to start investing. Imagine having a financial safety net that grows over time, even while you're busy with your daily life. That's the power of investing. Stash offers a simple, accessible way to invest in stocks, ETFs, and bonds. But before you can start investing, you need to link your bank account. Step-by-step guide. Download the Stash app. The first step is to download the Stash app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to create an account. This involves providing your basic information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Link your bank account. Now it's time to link your bank account. Here's how to do it. Select Bank Accounts. Tap on the Bank Accounts option in the app. Choose your bank. You'll be presented with a list of banks that Stash supports. Select your bank from the list. Enter your credentials. You'll be asked to enter your online banking credentials, such as your username and password. Confirm connection. Stash will verify your connection to your bank. You may need to complete a verification process, such as entering a code sent to your phone. Fund your account. Once your bank account is linked, you can start funding your Stash account. Simply select the amount you want to transfer from your bank account to Stash. Additional tips. Security. Stash uses advanced security measures to protect your financial information. However, it's always a good idea to monitor your bank account activity for any unauthorized transactions. Start small. If you're new to investing, it's a good idea to start small. Stash allows you to invest as little as $5 per week. Explore different investment options. Stash offers a variety of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and bonds. Take some time to explore the different options and choose the ones that align with your financial goals. Linking your bank account to Stash is a simple process that can open up a world of investment opportunities. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to building a strong financial future. So, what are you waiting for? Download the Stash app today and start investing. It's easier than you might think. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.